अबे तू क्या है?
क्या हो गया? रिवीजन मांग रहे?
Back then, I was in NIT Jamshedpur, sitting in one of my friend's room. We were a bunch of us, and we just randomly started watching this new show called Pictures. You know, अजीब सा नाम था Pictures, क्या होगा नहीं होगा. We just started watching. It was one of those afternoons, I believe. We got hooked and binge watched the entire 5-episode series. To say that the show was an entertaining one would be an understatement. We were blown away. Engineers watching a fascinating show about quitting your job to start your own company from scratch. The script was made for us. TVF had been creating amazing content, but this was something else. This was a monster that they had created. Everything seemed perfect. The cast, the dialogues, the script, the music, the two beer hai theory, and the amazing chemistry between Naveen and Shreya. With IMDb rating 9.1, yes, 9.1, still more than most of our CGPAs. If there is one show that brought in the culture of web series in India, the credit goes hands down to TVF Pictures. The show, for very obvious reasons, was highly appreciated and has since developed a cult status. Don't get me wrong here. Even I love Permanent Roommates, a show made by TVF, but for very different reasons that I won't talk about right now. The whole show was creating a new product in the market, but they never showed us the product that they had made. We were left hanging. And our wait began for season 2. News came out that the series was going to be back in 2017. In fact, they even had a teaser. But nothing happened. Nothing happened until now. Now, before we break the good news, this video is dedicated to the 298 subscribers and the millions who are going to join the pursuit. Please smash that subscribe button. Next target is 1000 subscribers. So TVF just released a teaser for 2021 labeled as shows from the house of TVF with a list of upcoming shows for 2021. I recommend checking out that fantastic teaser. The new shows, as they call it, are not from South, not from Central, or not from North. They are from heart. Very heartfelt and very poignant in nature. My expectations are very high as these shows are stories from different parts of India and in different languages as well. I think 3 stories, one from South, one from Central, and one from North. Throughout the teaser, I saw glimpses of Hostel Days 2, Kota Factory 2, Girls Hostel 2.0, Panchayat Season 2, Gullak Season 2, College Romance Season 2, and I was waiting. Is Pictures 2 going to come? There are a lot of problems in the way, by the way. The founder of TVF was in trouble, was in controversy. Bishwati Sarkar is not there in TVF. Is Picture 2 going to come? Picture 2 going to come? And then you see the famous Beatles walk by our 4 musketeers. Those 5 seconds of a perfect tease to get us excited for 2021. 6 years. And now we finally might have TVF Pictures 2. And if we do get to see it, and I hope all of this is not a big swerve or some kind of a tribute to Pictures, I hope and pray that just like what Drishyam 2 did as a sequel, Pictures 2, if it is coming out, also lives up to its expectations. Because our smart audiences deserve a smart show. Speaking about smart audiences, drop a comment and let me know how did you find the teaser. Last but not the least, do subscribe to Abashed Pursue. See you guys in the next video. Tab tak ke liye stay tuned and stay safe.